8 o'clock. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರ ತೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ಹೆಲೋ ಟು ಮೈ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್. Say hi. Gautam, say hi. So on the way iddivi. From Hubli to Yellapur I think 1.5 hours ಸಾಕು. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ before we reach Yellapur farm we are going for one more temple. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಐ ಟೆಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜೆಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ you will know what is beach lag, but that will be explained by the person who termed it also. So yeah.
So hi people, this is me who introduced beach lag or waves lag. The story behind this is just last week.
2,000 years later.
So yeah,
I'm sure you all learn one new word.
know in the comments that even if you people feel the beach lag.
Yeah, for sure. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 1 hour ಜರ್ನಿ ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅರೈವ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗಂಟಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಂಟಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ಅಂತಾರಂದರೆ, ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹರಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮನ್ನತ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಿಶ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ವೆರಿ ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. So we have stopped for of course tea break. So once after we have our tea, we'll head to our Yellapur farm, and which is about like in 20-30 minutes we'll reach. But before that, tea break is a must. So, and most important decision of our life, that is which biscuit to buy. Good Day, Parle-G, Marie, and finally we have decided what?
Good day.
Good Day, yes. So we did a poll and Good Day has won. So yeah, Good Day it is. Yay!
ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಒಳಗದಿರಿ.
ಓಹೋ, ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಬಿಸ್ಕಿಟಾ? Very unfair.
No sharing.
Like,
sharing.
Let me tell you.
No. Mummy ने नहीं सिखाया sharing.
Mummy, Let me ask. Even though good day one, but oh. So after having a delicious tea, now we are heading towards our Yellapur farm. Let's go. Welcome. So this is our Yellapur farm and this is our beautiful farmhouse, but it's still under construction.
That's good.
So we all have changed because we have a water body. I think I have put the clip before this video. We have yes, everyone, we have changed. Now we are gonna hit the water body, and post that we'll have some yummy food. So after playing in water, God knows for how many hours, we were so hungry, we just had yummy food which we bought from our home. So post lunch, we just took a walk around the tota, and in our tota, the main what we grow is betel nut, bananas and coconut and betel leaves. And also you can see one old jackfruit tree. This is our vlog, and this is our beautiful Yellapur farm. I hope you guys liked it, and bye.